Am I audible? Right. Now today, you already came to know what is scanf, what is printf. Today I will explain some programs on printf and scanf. My first program is write a program to read two numbers, comma, find the sum. Now how to do it? To write a program, we have to open the code block software. I am opening recent file. I am removing the code. I will write my code here. First of all, what is the question? Read out. Try to understand. Write a program to read two numbers and find the sum. First of all, we have to read the two numbers. After reading, we have to store them. So we need to create two variables. You can take number 1, comma number 2, two numbers, or a comma b. It is also very easy. Variable name is, it is up to you. You can give any name to variable. Number 1, number 2, it's also okay. A, B, it is also okay. After reading two numbers, what we have to do? We have to find a sum. To store the sum, I created one more variable. I created three variables like this. Now what to do? You have to read two numbers. Reading the data means a couple of statements. Printf and scanf you have to write. In printf, you have to ask the question. What you have to ask? Ask to enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. It is the question. Then user can read this question and he will enter two numbers. Those two numbers can be read. Scanf %d, %a, comma, %b. To read the data, we have to use scanf function. To read two numbers, you have to mention two %ds. You are storing the first number in A. You are storing the second number in B. Now you have two numbers. Then what to do? You have to find sum. How to find sum? A plus B. That is the logic. A plus B. After finding the sum, what to do? We have to print the result. How to print the result? Printf. Sum equal to %d, comma, sum. This is the logic. Right? What you are going to print, you have to specify. To print anything, printf statement you have to use. What you are going to print here? Sum. So specify that. Sum equal to. Here what you have to print? Number. Number means %d. From where we need to get this information? In this variable. Printf function always executed from right to left. First, it gets the data from sum and substituted here. Suppose first number is 10, second number is 20. Now a plus b equal to 30. That was stored in sum. 30 will be get from sum and substituted here. Now it becomes sum equal to 30. That will be printed on screen by using printf function. Right, like that, you can complete this program. Enter two numbers. My first number is 10, second number is 20. See this? Sum equal to 30. It is the logic. Execute this program again. First number is 50. Second number is 15. What is the sum of these two? 65. Sum equal to 65. It is the answer. Like that, you can write this program. Right. You can type the numbers line by line or by side. If you want to type the numbers side by side, you have to give space. Don't give comma. If you want to enter line by line, then you can press enter. 40, enter 20. In this way also you can enter. Side by side also you can give, or line by line also you can enter. In this way also you can enter the data. Output 2. It is output 2. It is output 1. Now what is the program? This is the program. Find the sum of two numbers. Right. Write on this program. If completed, please tell me. Right. Now, my second program. Write a program to read marks in 3 subjects, comma, find the total and the average marks. Read out the question. What we have to do? We have to read the marks in 3 subjects. Then what to do? We have to find the total and average. Now, come here. How many variables we have to create? We have to read marks in 3 subjects means marks in first subject M1, marks in second subject M2, marks in third subject M3. You can take ABC also. Variable name is not compulsory. You can take your own name. Right. After that, I have to find total. After that, I have to find the average marks. Actually, average is integer or float? Tell me. Identify the data type of average. Is it integer or float? In average, we will have dots or not? We will get floats, right? Now, what to do? We have to create a variable like this. Don't write average here. Up to total, you write there. Then float, average, you write here. 4 variables are integers. The average marks is float. Total 5 variables. After that, what to do? We have to read 3 subject marks. How to read them? Tell me. Printf. How to ask the question? Enter. What to required? Marks in 3 subjects. The question should be like this. Enter marks in 3 subjects. Scanf. Percentage D. Percentage D. Percentage D. Comma. Ampersand. What is the first variable name? M1. What is the second variable name? Ampersand M2. What is the third variable name? M3. Right. Computer asking to enter 3 subject marks. Then you type 3 numbers. 3 numbers will be readed by scanf function. And the first subject marks stores in M1. Second subject mark stores in M2. Third subject mark stores in M3. Now what we can do? We can find the total. Total equal to, how to get total? M1 plus M2 plus M3. It is the total. How to find average? The average equal to total marks divided by 3. It is the formula. Am I right? So how to get total? M1, M2, M3. How to get average? Total by 3. Now printf. We have to print the data. First of all, what you are going to print? First of all, you have to print total, then you have to print the average marks. So specify that. What you are going to print? Total equal to, total means number. So percentage D, comma, where is the total? In variable TOTAL. Total is the variable name. You have to specify the variable name here, total. After that, you have to print average marks. Average equal to, average marks equal to percentage. What we have to mention? We have to print the average marks. What is the data type of average marks? Float. What is the format specifier of float? Percentage F. You have to specify percentage F, comma. What you have to print? Average. What is the variable name of average? AVG. AVG you have to print. Now it printed total and average in same line. You want to print the total and average in same line or different lines? In different lines. So average print in next line. How to move to next line? By using /n. /n you have to use to move to the next line. Right. Now execute this program. First subject marks 40. Second subject marks 60. Third subject marks 50. The total is 150. The average is 50. /n means it print in new line. Right. Here after point, I got 6 precisions. Why? Because it is float. Float maintains 6 precisions. Suppose if you want to print only 2 precisions, then you have to specify like this: percentage point to F. What is the meaning of this one? After point, we required only 2 precisions. Point 2 means after point, print only 2 precisions, not 6 precisions. Right? That is the meaning of that one. Now execute this program. Enter 3 subject marks: 70, 85, 65. Now the total is 220. The average is 73.00. It print only 2 precisions. For that we have to use 0.2. If you want to print 4 precisions, then you have to use percentage 0.4f. If you want to print only 1 precision, then you have to use percentage 0.1f. You have to use. So this is this one. Execute this program. Copy the output. 40, 60, 70, 3 subject marks, total and average. This is the output. Right down. After completion, please tell me. Right. Now, See here. Here I used plus operator, plus. Here also used plus. Here I used by. What are these? Plus, plus, by. What are these? These are called as operators. What are those? These are called as operators. Now see this. I am writing something here. 5 plus 2. A into B. A minus or by 2. What are these three? These three are called expressions. What are these? Expressions. How many expressions are here? 3 expressions are here. Now in the first expression, what is going on? The operation sum is going on. In second expression, the operation multiplication is going on. In third expression, the operation division is going on. Now to perform addition operation, you used plus tool. It is a tool to find sum of two numbers. Into is a tool to find the multiplication of two numbers. Division is a tool to find division of two numbers. Now, the tools those are used to perform operations are called operators. The next topic is operators. To manipulate the data, we need operators. So it is about operators. Here you are doing operation to whom? You are doing operation to 5 and 2. Here you are doing operation to A and B. You are doing operation to A and 2. To whom you are doing operation, that is called as operand. What is that? Operand. So it is called as operand. Right. So plus minus into, these are called as operators. 5 to A, B, T, A2, these are called as operands. What are those? Operands. These are called as operands. Right. Now clear what is operator, what is operand? Now this is the diagram. The next topic is operators. Right. What is operator? Now tell me. Operator is a tool which is used to perform operations. Now what is operand? Operands, see this? Operands are nothing but the constants. What is 5? What is 2? 5 is a constant, 2 is a constant. 5 value is 5 in all the countries. The value of 2 is 2 in all the countries. Right? It is constant. What about AB? These two are variables. What about this one? It is variable. It is constant. So operands may be constants or variables or both. Mixed also, it is operands. Now, how many types of operators are there? Classification of operators. In C language, operators are divided into 9 types. So, C supports 9 types of operators. One is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Second one is logical operators. Third one is relational operators. Fourth one is bitwise operators. Fifth one is assignment operators. Sixth one is compound operators. Next one is increment or decrement operators. Next one is conditional operators. Last one is special operators. These are the 9 types of operators available in C language, right? Note on this. Completed. Good. After completion of writing, please tell me. Right, completed. Good. Now, what is arithmetic operators? You know what is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. All these are called as formulas, am I right? Mathematical formulas. But these are called as arithmetic expressions actually. To manipulate the arithmetic expressions, the operators, those we are using, those are called as arithmetic operators. Now, the operators, those are used to manipulate. Manipulate means calculate. Manipulate the arithmetic expressions are called arithmetic operators. What are the examples of arithmetic operators? These are the examples of arithmetic operators. Operator, name, meaning or use. Plus operator, it is arithmetic operator. What is the name? Plus. What is the use of that? Addition. Minus operator, it is called minus. What is the use of minus? Tell me. Subtraction. Into, it is called as multiplication. Operation name is multiplication. It is called as into. By, divided by operator. It is called as division operator. Next one is percentage symbol. Its name is modulus or mod operator. It gives the remainder. Remainder means once we divide a number with another number, then we will get the remainder. Quotient remainder, do you know it? Quotient and remainder. Suppose I divide a number like this. My number is 10. I am dividing this number with 3. In 10, 3 goes 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Then we will get one remainder. So, right. What is this one? What is this one? It is called quotient. What is this? Quotient. What is this one? One is called as, it is called as remainder. Now, when you divide a number with another number, we will get remainder. To find this remainder, we have to use mod symbol or modulus symbol. This is about arithmetic operators. Right. Note on this. Note on this arithmetic operators. You know plus, minus, into, by very well. But a mod operator, it is new operator. It is very, very useful in C language. After completion of writing, please tell me. Shagil Khan completed. Jyotirbhai completed. Okay, right. Now, what is the next operator? Next operator is logical operators. Logical operators. Now, see 10 greater than 3. What is the result of this one? It is true. Am I right? 10 less than 15 or 10 less than 7. What is the result of this one? It is false. If you want to work on true or false, then you have to use logical operators. Then you have to use logical operators. The operators, those work on true or false, are called logical operators. After evaluating true or false, we will get again true result or false result. After evaluate true or false, its result again true or false. Again true or false. What is the meaning of this one? I will explain on table to you. You can understand this. You know truth table of and. I am going to explain truth table of and. And symbol is nothing but this one. Right? The examples of logical operators are ampersand, ampersand. It is called and operator. Two pipe symbols. It is called or operator. Exclamation mark. It is called not operator. So these are the examples of logical operators. Now I will explain truth table of and. Here expression 1. Here expression 2. Here result. Expression 1 is true. Expression 1 is true. Expression 1 is false. Expression 1 is false. If the expression 1 is true, if the expression 1 is false, expression 1 is true, expression 2 is false, like this. Now, what is the true and true? AND operator gives true when both are true. Both are true, no? So its answer is true. These both are true? No, its answer is false. Both are true? No, its answer also false. Both are true? No, its answer also false. It is the truth table of OR operator. So truth table of AND operator. Now I will explain what is truth table of OR. In the same manner, we have to draw the table. Now I am going to draw the truth table of OR. Truth table of OR. OR means pipe symbol. Two pipe symbols. Right? It is called OR. Now here also you will have expression 1 and expression 2 and result. Expression 1 is true. Expression 1 true also true. Expression 1 is true. Expression 2 is false. Expression 1 is false. Expression 2 is true. Expression 1 is false. Expression 2 also false. Now, what will be the result here? OR operator gives true when either one operator is true. It is true, no? Now it won't bother about this one. It is true, so its answer is true. It is true, then its answer is true. If it is not true, then it tests the second one. It is true, no? So you will get answer true. If it is false, then it will test the second one. It is also false, then it gives false. Now it is the truth table of OR operator. Truth table of OR. Now, next, truth table of AND operator I required. Truth table of NOT operator. NOT means exclamation symbol. Am I right? Exclamation. It is not. Here, I will have only one expression and one result. First expression is true, false. If you put not before true, not true is equal to false. If you put not before false, not false means true. This is about truth table of not. Right. Now, this operator works on true or false. True or false, those are called as logical operators. Its answer also finally true or false. What is the result? True, false, false, false. So true or false. Now what are the operators? And or not operator are the examples of logical operators. Note on this. My if completed, tell me. Right. Shagil Khan completed. Right. The next operator is relational operator. Relational operators means the operators, those are used to test the relationship. Means less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. These are called as relational operators. The operators, those are used to test the relationship between two operands. Two operands are called relational operators. Relational operators works only on numbers. It don't work on strings. It don't work on other than numbers. So relational operators works only on numbers. What is the output of relational operator? Its output is always true or false. Its output is always true or false. That's it. Now, I will give an example here. Relational operator, name, example, right. Now relational operator less than. What is the name of this one? Less than. What is the example for this? 10 less than 2. 10 less than 2. What is the result? What is the result of this one? It is false. 10 is not less than 2. Next one is greater than. 10 greater than 2. Yes, it is true. Less than or equal to. What is this? Less than or equal to operator. Less than or equal to. Equal. Now 10 less than or equal to 2. No, it is also false. It is not less than or equal to 2. Now greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal. 10 greater than or equal to 2. Yes, it is true. 10 is greater than or equal to 2. Equal to equal to. Double equal to. 10 equal to 5. It compare two things. 10 is equal to 5. No, it is false. 10 is not equal to 5. So double equal to means comparison operator. Next one is not equal to. Not equal to. 10 not equal to 5. Yes, it is true. Now the result of this one is like this. So these are called as relational operators. These are also called as comparison operators. These are also called as comparison operators. Right, note of this. My dear friends, 5 free classes are completed. If you want to continue the class, you have to pay the fee. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days are holidays. Paid classes will be start from Monday onwards. Right? If you want to continue the class, you can pay the fee and continue from Monday. Otherwise, you can leave. No problem at all. Right? So free classes are completed. After completion of writing, you can leave from the class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, holidays. I will continue the class from Monday. I will take the class on next Saturday. Right? Only Sundays are holidays. Free classes are completed. That's why I'm taking 2 days leave. Jyotirmay completed? Okay, good. Thank you.